YouTube. You don't know what time it is, you know. You have to say 40 down. You're supposed to know what time it is. You're supposed to know the code already, you know, man. The Dan is back in the lab. And today, we're there with none other than Prince Swanny. You see me? Swan Dan himself, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀 boss himself, the one of them function. You see me? Prince Swanny never disappoints, so I'm expecting nothing less. You see me? I say? The one of them function, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. You see me? I say? But before they don't know the code already. Before me jump in and the tune, hit the like and subscribe on that. Help me hold up my stress, man. What's good with y'all, bro? You see me? I said that, man, for time for you to turn up for your boy. Time for you to show out for your boy, man. Come on, turn up, man. Show them say we're the littest out here, dog. Hit the likes, man. We're supposed to not get nothing less than 100 likes on a video. Remember, the likes is for me, not for the artist. And it's for me, for my reaction, for my videos. You see me? I say, so do the right thing, man. Code is live. You see me? Prince Swanny, function gang. Let's get it.
Oh, shit. Prince Swanny gave me this, y'all. On the real shit.
That's on real shit.
That's Casey.
Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad. I liking this beat, boy.
Sunshine, watch your days go by. Enough times when I feel no vibes. Core where me no tell no lie. Like a shot at tequila for be my night. Tell you ups me no feel alright. So let them feel off stay inside. I know we out and every day with pie. Still lonely.
Damn, this video so clean. This nigga Prince Swanny down living such a short time. This nigga just climbing the ranks, man. The money this nigga thing does clean from day one. This nigga, look at the man video, crispy that shit is, nigga. Look at the nigga diamonds, nigga. Look at the nigga houses, nigga. Look at the diamonds and the motherfucking rings, gang. Look at the man fit, bro. Not that blue crispy, then no motherfucker. What that you are rocking though? What's that? Must get what that is?
Sunshine, watch your days go by. Enough times when I feel no vibes. Core where me no tell no lie. Like a shot at tequila for be my vibes. Tell you
Wow, the colors in this video is popping, nigga. Yeah, see me, I say the video is so quality.
I know you out and every day we pass. Still long live kind. Me know them not forgot. Me run it up from the spam, me lock the block. First kilo when me get my buy 2 o'clock. Stamp 0.
Me know they got no god. From time easy, come true.
Me know them not forgot. Me run it up from the spam, me lock the block. First kilo when me get my buy 2 o'clock. Stamp 0 tolerance. My brothers don't really want me reach it up. Right now me can't really sit and study that. Enough money on the line. Me have to drive with my daughter, my son, my whole family. For know me are the one. Me a family man. Me know the place that where me come from. Me no run. Me have to find a way to give back to the land. Give back to the land. Give back to the land. Give thanks to the land.
Oh, bro, I'm loving this beat so crazy. This shit so smooth and just
Give thanks to the Lord.
Thanks to the Lord.
Function is function. Now fi fuck man.
No sir. No sir. I want him like clean. No sir. Come true. Pull up that.
Every day, function is function. Now we fuck man.
No sir.
Shoot boy by the junction. Big long K with the jump on. Me move keys like food in the lunch pan. White tee with the Glock in my long pants.
This is so slow, nigga. You know what? You know what this remind me of? This remind me of fucking 2 Chainz. The Caribbean track. I'm a fresh as hell of the fair watching. Yo, this shit remind me of that shit.
Shoot boy by the junction. Big long K with the jump on. Me move keys like food in the lunch pan. White tee with the Glock in my long pants. Every dash full of money from my job songs. The bitches in my life but me no trust none.
Hey.
Sunshine watch the days go by. Enough times when I feel no vibes. Core where me no tell no lies.
Easy no man, go on through.
Tequila for be my night. Tell you ups me no feel alright. So let them feel off stay inside. I know we out and every day we pie. Still long live kind. You know I'm not forgot. We run it up from the spam, I lock the block. First kilo when me me get my bite to block. Them say me not that, but what we call me brother as me rich it up. Right now me can't really sit and study that.
Come on.
Enough money on the line, me have to drive with my daughter, my son, my whole family. For know me are the one, me a family man. Me know the place that where me come from, me know run. Have to find a way to give back to the land. Give back to the land.
Come on now, man. Prince Swandan. Function. Yes, man. Go on through.
I'm dying remembering this.
Hell yeah, that's what's up. Oh, God.
You have a blessed one too. God bless you.
Just between us.
That is it, gang. That is it. Prince Swanny, the one named Function. You see me I say? Man, I'm just amazed at like your Prince Swanny whole journey, man. You see me just a few years ago, the man, no time, biggest in Trinidad. You see me? And overall, in just dancehall period, this man is doing great, making great music. The beats that he's choosing, the quality of his beats, the tunes he makes, the videos he shoots, the quality of everything in it. It just has been like top notch. So big up to Prince Swanny. You're definitely doing a good job. Especially, he's like carrying Trinidad music on his back right now. You see me I say? Big up Prince Swanny, man. You wanna do your thing, dog. Prince Swanny, bad no blood cleat. You see me I say? Swandan, big up yourself. You're definitely putting in the work, man. You definitely should be one of, when it comes to like dancehall greats or legends in Trinidad, he should be one of them, man. Like, man, doing it. He's putting it on. Other than him, right now, out of Trinidad, the only person doing it is like K-Man. You got Boy. I heard Plumpy's back, so I gotta go check that out. What else? Who was doing it out big in Trinidad? What's doing it big in Trinidad? Like, you don't know what I'm talking about. Like people like those that's doing well. You see me? You got the Kalanji. You see me? I say, yeah, but Prince One is at the forefront, so he's like carrying it on his back right now. So big up Swandan. You're doing a great job, man. Everything is top quality from the day you jumped off the Porsche, gang. You see me? I say, your shit been top notch. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been listening to you back since way back. Since like before 2018. Damn, bro, you been in this game for a little minute now, Swandan. Probably like 16, 17 we've been listening to this guy. 2016, 17, 15 maybe. But yeah, man, Swandan put in the work, man. You see me putting the work on the ground, then he flew overseas and he making bigger moves. He helping niggas like Byron Messiah. You see me I say, man, he got. So big up to Swandan. He's doing his thing, man. You see me? Big up to Z-Tech. You see me I say again. So let me know anything about the one in the comment section, gang. If I like to show the artist some love and support, we can know the dance and everything. I say also drop your requests, so you get your shout out. Let me know what else you want me to react to. You don't know, you get it done. You don't know, Mr. Consistency in the building, Mr. Over Consistency in the building, I'm just going, Mr. 100 uploads is coming, nigga. I'm about to flood it. Well, yeah, man, gang, you like and subscribe on help your boy, well up him stress. You see me? I say help me get more consistent. If you like it, if you like the videos, I'll be more consistent, gang. If y'all like the videos, I'll be more consistent. I drop way more videos. You see me? I'm bangers for y'all. So just like up the video, man. Do the right thing. Code is life. Let me know anything about it in the comment section. If you like it, I'll show the artist some love and support, make you know, so the dance, you know. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.